Hello, beautiful. This is Jennifer Hadley, and our prayer for today is for replacing doubt with faith. That feels so good. So we begin placing our hand on our heart, wholeheartedly willing to give up all doubt, all self-doubt, anything that blocks the free flow of our faith. We are grateful and thankful to wholeheartedly partner up with the higher Holy Spirit self to recognize the fullness of love shining in our heart and in our mind. We're truly grateful and truly thankful to say yes to a deep and abiding faith emerging in our awareness. We are choosing to have faith. We are choosing to cultivate a radical trust and faith in spirit. We're giving up faith in our own opinions and judgments and replacing our faith in pure spirit. We are grateful and thankful to give up all the avenues of doubt, all the sense of lack and limitation, all the sense of fear, doubt, and worry, every illness, everything that is an expression of doubt and self-punishment. We're giving it up to the higher Holy Spirit self for healing. We are grateful and thankful to call forth an abiding healing, a transformative revealing of God's perfect love in our awareness. So we're replacing all doubt with a deep and abiding faith. We are grateful that we have a choice. We are grateful to share the benefits with everyone because we are one with them. Grateful, grateful, grateful to cultivate a deep, abiding faith today and every day. In gratitude, we allow the healing to be. We know it's done, and so it is. Amen. Amen. Amen.